So guys, finally we have some information about Nokia 7.3 and Nokia 9.3 Pureview smartphones, according to which both devices are mostly focusing on camera. So first let's talk about Nokia 7.3. According to leak, the Nokia 7.3 Pureview will come with quad camera setup with improved image quality and better night mode than its predecessor. And this quad camera setup could house a 48 megapixel main camera, but some reports are also suggesting that the main camera of Nokia 7.3 will be a 64 megapixel main camera. But I think Nokia will go with 64 megapixel main sensor as there is a megapixel war is going on. This quad camera setup would be accompanied by an ultra wide angle lens, a depth sensor and a macro lens. And for selfies, the Nokia 7.3 is set to house either a 24 megapixel or 32 megapixel camera. For processor, the Nokia 7.3 could come with Snapdragon 765, which is a 5G ready chipset, and it's quite an improvement over the Snapdragon 660 of the Nokia 7.2. And also HMD is testing out two prototypes for the Nokia 7.3, one with 5G connectivity and one without. And now talking about Nokia 9.3 Pureview, and according to rumors and leaks, the Nokia 9.3 Pureview will come with a high refresh rate OLED display with 120Hz panel. The Nokia 9.3 Pureview will also likely ditch the simultaneously firing cameras for a conventional setup, highlighted by a 108 megapixel Samsung made main camera and possibly at least another 64 megapixel camera. Reports are also suggesting that HMD has experimented with 24 megapixel, 20 megapixel and 48 megapixel sensors for the Nokia 9.3 before finally landing on the massive 108 megapixel main snapper. It's rumored that the Nokia 9.3 Pureview will jump from the originally planned Snapdragon 855 to Snapdragon 865, and the reason for this is that this smartphone has been delayed a few times. And there are multiple reasons for this delay, but now the device is expected to launch in August or September. More videos will be coming on my channel, so do subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.